Good morning. This is going to cover Wednesday, May 8th, spiral review. Number 1 says, what is the number represented below? So we need to write all of these numbers down and line them up by place value. So we have 600, 30, 8, 1/10, and 1/100th. It's nice of them to put it in order by place value as well. So these top three do not have decimals with them already, but since we have decimals down here, we need to go ahead and make them all have decimals and the same amount of place values. Okay, 1, 1, 8, 3, 6. So it is 638 and 11/10. Number 2, what fraction is at point D? First we need to see between 0 and 1 how many parts there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. And D is at 1, 2, 3. So it's 3/6, it's halfway. 3/6 is the same as 1/2 because 3 is half of 6. Draw a model to represent the following equation and solve. So 4 times 8, I'm going to draw an area model, or an array, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So I'm going to do 4 at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 going across. So I currently have 4 by 4. I'm going to go ahead and separate those. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So if I counted those, there would be 32 boxes. Plus 5 times 8. So instead of having 4 columns, I'm going to have 5. And if you did yours another way, that is fine, as long as it gets you to the same answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8 is 40. When you add them together, you should get 72. Okay. Question number 4 says, what is the measure of the angle shown? We're lucky that it's our bottom ray is at 0. Okay, so we're looking at the numbers on the bottom. On the inside, it goes 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40 degrees, and that is an acute angle, so my answer is correct. Tammy bought a dress for $89.93, a pair of shoes for $56.30, and some earrings for $12.50. She gives the clerk $200. How much change will she receive? So remember, change is the money you get back after you pay for something. Okay, so we first need to find out how much she spent. We can do a strip diagram for that. So we have $89.93, $56.30, and $12.50. Adding those together, I do have to stack them. So we have 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 6 is 16. 17, 18. 8 and 5 is 13, 14, 15. So she spent $158.73. So now we need to find the difference between the $200 that she gave the clerk and the $158.73 that she owed. So we're looking for this missing part. Okay, I'm actually going to flip this over. So 200 minus 158.73. Okay, I have to represent that there's no change in my $200 bill. Okay, I cannot subtract from 0, so I'm going to start borrowing. Can't borrow from 0, can't borrow from 0, can't borrow from 0. I can borrow from 2. Okay, this is going to become 1. All 3 of these zeros become 9 because I'm regrouping all the way to my ones place. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 take away 5 is 4. 1 take away 1 is 0. 41.27 is the amount of change she receives. Sorry, 41.27. Okay. Our very last box, 43 times 16. If we're estimating, that's 40 times 20. This rounded down, this rounded up, so our answer should be right about on the money. 4 times 2 is 8. Our answer should be around 800. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Kill, bury, evidence. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Add together. 688. Okay. Division. And that's semi-close. Okay. You cannot make any groups of 6 with 5. You can make 9 groups of 6 with 56, because 9 times 6 is 54. Subtract and you get 2. Bring down your 5. 6, how many groups of 6 can you make with 25? You can make 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract and you get a remainder of 1. 94 remainder 1.